everyone, my name is Natasha and today I will show you a simple trick how to stay young while you are working at home. So basically you are working at home, right? You have to type, you have to think, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, my face, it looks so tired, all these wrinkles and all this stuff. So what if you will make your face relax while you are working? How can we do it? So I decided to use this simple tape. All what you have to do, you need to take the tape and you need to put it on your wrinkles to make them disappear. By doing it, you will make your muscles not to squinch so much. And by the end of 8 days of working, you take it off and you're gonna look so pretty. Okay? And completely wrinkles free. You do not believe me? Try it. You will see it. Let's do it together. So you put here. You put here. So, like that. Now, what else? Oh, my eyes. Man, I keep... Of course. My eyes. Are you with me? Cool. Now this. I have to make my eyes not to squinch so much. And of course this part, because every time I'm making my mouth so stressful that, that's what we'll get. And we actually have to put it up. That's it. That's all what you need. Good luck, guys, and stay safe.